Hi, it's Dina here again with another tutorial for Cricut Design Space Basics and Beyond. And today I have a quick video on how to upload free fonts into Design Space. So obviously Design Space, if you have access, there's lots of fonts available for you to use, and any font that is on your computer is available for you to use. But sometimes we want that little extra, something a little bit nicer, and maybe we don't pay for the monthly or yearly subscription to access. So how can we get some fun fonts to be able to use in Design Space without having to pay for them? So the first thing that we need to do is go to, there's a website called Dafont.com, and I will link that in the description below. But we're going to go just through our browser, go into Dafont.com right here, and as you can see, if you look, anything that's new, recently added, all comes up right here. You can also go in and do a search if you know a specific font name. They have them, broken down into different types of styles of fonts. So you can click on, something that's handwritten, for example, and you can see all of these different types of fonts that you can actually load onto your computer. So if you see anything that you like, the best way to do it is you just click on that particular font, and it takes you to a screen, and if you scroll down, you can see all the different letters, what they would look like. Sometimes there's little extras like these little sunshines and things like that, and it shows you what all the different letters would look like. So if you have a specific word that you want to see how it would look in that font, you can type it right here. So you can type in the word, and then you just hit submit, and it's going to show you right here what that's actually going to look like in that font. So if this is a font that you would like, the best way to get and Dafont is actually endorsed, I guess, by Cricut. And the only reason why I would say that is because I actually teach at Joann's, and they, in our syllabus, have us teach our students how to go to Dafont.com and upload or download fonts onto your computer to be able to use in Design Space. So it's a safe site. I've never had any issues, and I've downloaded so many fonts from here, and it's just a nice way to add to your library of fonts that you would be able to use in Design Space for free. So over here, and I know it's partially cut off, but here is the download button. So if you click on the download button, it's going to download a file to your computer. And I am a Mac user, so for me, basically all I do is I click on the file where it downloaded, and it shows me here it is unzipped. That unzipped it for me, so it's going to download it in a zipped form. So if you're on a PC, you'd have to unzip that, and then this is the file right here, DK Lemon Yellow Sun. So you can click on that, and for a Mac user, it shows the font, what it looks like, and then if I double click it, it comes up, and again it's cut off, and I apologize for that, but install font. It is different on a PC, but it's going to be something similar to this. So basically I'm going to go here, and I'm going to click install this font, and it is going to place that on into it validates it, and if there were any issues with it, it would let me know. So it has now installed it. It's right here in my fonts, and I can go in and use that in Design Space. So I'm just going to close out of these windows and go back to my Design Space, and let me get rid of this here. So this is the beta version right here. So what I'm going to do is actually, I'm not sure actually I can test this. If you are still using the online version and you already have Design Space open, you won't be able to see your font. You have to basically reset, like not log out, but you have to refresh your screen, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to test this one here because this is the beta version that is, but I think because it's still using it online, I'm not offline yet because they haven't rolled it out. But if I go in and look for that font, I go to System Fonts and type in, I can't remember, it's lemon something. Okay, so it's not here. So basically what I have to do is I have to close out of Cricut. I'm going to quit my system here and then reopen it. So if you're online, you can just hit your refresh button. If you already have something on your canvas, you do need to actually save it. That way you don't lose any changes that you might have made. Okay, so now if I go into my text and I'm going to change the font, I'm looking for the one that I just uploaded. It had lemon in the name of it. And there it is, DK Lemon Yellow Sun. So I can click on it and I can start typing the text that I have, whatever I'm trying to design with. So I just start typing. And there it is. So you can, from here, you can, do whatever you want with it. It is in your system. It is free. If I were to go make something with this, you can see right here down at the bottom, if it was going to cost anything, it would be right there, and it's allowing me to continue. So there's nothing else that I need to do to be able to use that font. And it was 100% free. It's a safe and easy download, and it's a way you can go through and scroll through so many different fonts and have lots of design options for you. So again, I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I will answer as quickly as I can. And just enjoy being able to use all these different fonts. For me, sometimes I have so many fonts that I struggle choosing fonts because I have so many to choose from. So I'm a bit of a font fiend, but when I see something that I like, it's easy to go into Dafont and just kind of scroll through the different types of fonts that they offer, and it changes all the time, and you can just go through page after page after page, and if you see something you like, you just go over to the download and you click it, and it's going to download right to your computer, and then you just have to open it up and install it. So I hope that this video helped you, and I hope that you learned something from this, and of course I hope you have a great day.